In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello, everybody. I'm Mr. Malik, and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. Sorry. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So, first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on Enable Editing. Then we have to make that a zoom, so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Excel 3E revenue. We just increase its size, change its color so it must be visible. And so before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. Okay, so in today assignment we have 13 points, and 14 one is a last one is a non-graded one, so we have to make that highlight so it's not graded one. Okay, so we have 13 question in graded part. Okay, so in today video we will discuss Excel 3E revenue. So in start we will discuss project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the revenue budget for City of Springbury. Okay, that was simply instruction about customer. Our file. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform. Then instructions. Open the Excel workbook, student Excel 3E revenue Excel. Then download with this project. Okay, so that is a not graded one, but we have to open that one. Okay, we call that a solution file. Okay, we call that a solution file. It is just getting opening. We have to open this one. Yes. Okay, this is also some points are done, so we just simply delete both one. From here we just extract here. Yes, now we have to open. Okay, so question number 1 is done, in which we have to open the file that we have downloaded from Pearson platform. We have downloaded that one. Now we are moving toward next part. In cell D5, construct formula to calculate percentage of total projected revenue from taxes by dividing. We have to move toward cell D5 first here, and here we have to calculate. We have to construct formula to calculate percentage of total project revenue from taxes. Okay, so what formula we have to use? Taxes by dividing project revenue for next fiscal year for lease. Okay, we have to put equal project revenue for next fiscal year. We have to divide that by the total projected revenue for next fiscal year. This one. Okay, then use absolute cell reference as necessary. Format the result. Okay, we have to use absolute here, then simply press enter and get answer. Then now we have to use what we have to use. We have to use percent style. Okay, there is percent style. Then center the percentage. Now we have to center the percentage. Then fill formula down to D9. Now we have to fill down to D9. Okay. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, we have earned 10 marks from there. In question number 2, we just move towards cell D5, and there we have to construct a formula to calculate percentage of total projected revenue from taxes by dividing the projected revenue for next fiscal year for lease by total projected revenue for next fiscal year. So we have done, then we have to make use absolute cell reference as necessary, then format the result by percent style centered percentage fill down to D9, and we have get this result. Okay, after solving question number 2. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Select non-adjacent range A5 to A9, C5 to C9. First we have to select non-adjacent range A5 to A9, then hold on control key, then select D5 to D9. Okay, both ranges are selected. Then we have to create pie chart. Which pie chart? We have to insert 3D pie chart. Okay, so insert, here is pie chart, and here is 3D pie chart. Okay, then move chart to new sheet, and the name is new sheet is projected revenue chart. So we just copy the name of new sheet, then select this chart, and here is in chart design, here is move chart option. Click on there, new sheet, paste the name that we have already copied, then simply press OK. So that will be moved to new sheet with the name. Okay, so question number 3 is done. After question number 3, solve 3, we have earned 10 marks. In question number 3, we just select the non-adjacent ranges A5 to A9 and a C5 to C9. After selecting both ranges, then we have to create a pie chart, and the pie chart, 3D pie chart. Okay, after creating 3D pie chart, then we have to move that chart to a new sheet named projected revenue chart. After solving this part, then we have on 10 marks. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 3. As a text for chart title element, now we have to type projected revenue, format the chart title. We have to in chart title, that name is projected revenue. Copy this one, then here is chart title, double click, select, paste that one that we have already copied. Then word or style. Okay, in first row click second style. Okay, first row second style, we have to give that word out. So select this one, and there is a word out option. Click on format, there is word out first row second option. Yes, this one. Okay, then change the font size to 32 points. Now we have to first we have to select this one, then change the font size to 32 points. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have earned 6 marks from there. In question number 4, what we have done, we just simply move that sheet where we have created a chart. Then we have to in the chart title projected revenue, then with word or style, no, then we have to apply their word or style that is in first row second column. Okay, we have in that one. Then change the font size to 32 point. So we have in and we get this result. Okay, so question number 4 is done and we have on 6 marks. Till now we have done question number 2, 3, 4. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Remove the legend chart element. Remove the legend chart element. Okay, we have removed. Then add data label chart element, and only we have to apply their category and percentage display. Position in the center. And then we have to apply this data label with category name and percentage and position them in center. Okay. Then format the data labels with font style bold. Okay, we have to make them bold, so there is bold option. Then font size 14. Okay, to format the data labels, be sure they are selected. Okay, yeah, they are selected. So question number 5 is done and we get this answer. Okay, so in question number 5, after solving question number 5 we get 15 marks. So in question number 5 what we have done, we just simply remove a legend chart element, then we have add data labels chart elements formulated so that only category name and percentage display, then position in the center, then format the data labels with font style of bold and font size of 14. To format the data labels, be sure they are selected. So we have done and we get 15 marks. After solving question number 5, we get this answer. Okay. So the same way we will solve question number 6, 7 up to question number 13. Okay, step by step. So in today video we have just 13 point. Out of 13 point we have done first 5 to 6 point, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. The assignment name that we discussed today is Excel 3E revenue. In start we just describe project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 where we have to construct formula in D5 to calculate the percentage of total project revenue from taxes by dividing project revenue for next fiscal year for lease by total projected revenue for next fiscal year. Then in question number 3 we have to select both ranges A5 to A9, C5 to C9. Then we have to create a pie chart. Then we have to move that chart to new sheet, that name is projected revenue chart. Then in question number 4 we have to in chart title projected revenue, then we have to make that a word or style that is in first row second column, then change font size to 32 points. Then in last part question number 5 we have to remove the legend chart elements and then add data labels chart elements formulated so that only category name and percentage display position in center. So question number 5 is done in this way. Okay, so we have done almost half of assignment in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as here in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100%, price will be reasonable, and Your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that you may also contact me for other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, accounts, just like C++, Java, English writing, English literature writing, Power BI assignment or project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes within just like reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 3 revenue. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.